autonomous private 5G network using 5G standalone, the radio, the 5G core, and the different applications. For example, video being distributed to multiple parties, that was all hosted inside the cell on wheel which you see in the background.
What we have demonstrated practically here today is the ability to increase the level of situational awareness and thus being able to, for instance, live stream video from an accident site like Gjerdrum and distribute the live feed to every emergency services personnel responding in real time.
So we want to get a defense slice or a slice inside the commercial networks. So the private networks is something that comes in addition to guarantee coverage and of course quality of service.